What's up, guys? It's like upside down character. Turo ko po sa inyo paano po upside down ang inyong character sa Minecraft. Funny. Untog. Okay. Settings. Steve. Ayan po natin. Para po mag-upside down ang inyong character, search malaking D-I-N-N. Dinner Bone. Play. What's up? Please subscribe, Lordan Prasad. Bye. Say bye. 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 Bye.